The game is afoot. Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Tater, and today I just got a package in the mail. It's from Wish. I don't even know what it is, so I was wanting to share this with you guys. It's another package. Every time when I get a package, I will be able to share it with you guys, and I guess we're gonna get into it. Let me grab my knife. Sorry guys, anyways, we're gonna get into this package. Here it is right here. It's, see if y'all can see it. See, it's right there. It's Wish. It's from the same people or whatever. It says Shuzi Hayoyang. Don't know what this is. Super weird. It says fashion accessory. I can't even remember what the heck it is. So, without further ado, death. No, I'm just kidding. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. I think it's those deal with it glasses that I ordered, but I'm not sure. So we got to find out. Yeah, it is. Legit. It is the deal with it glasses. Let's open these bad boys up. Yeah, boy. See? Heck the freak yeah. It's awesome. Wonder if it came with the receipt. Nope. Put these bad boys on. Yeah, boy. No, I'm just kidding. These are some pretty lit glasses. Pretty cool. Let's get these bad boys all good. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on my game. I can't do it anymore on my PC because I haven't been able to order a new software for videoing stuff, so I'll get back out with you guys with a new video for PC Minecraft, my series making fun of Minecraft. If you want to see my first video, the first episode, it should be under this video, under all the other stuff, blah blah blah. You get what I mean. Anyways, though, I think that's about it. Not really sure. If you want me to, put in the comments below on what I should go and get from GameStop. Don't make it too pricey though, because I can't be spending too much, because I'm gonna get my butt chewed out. Just kidding. Thank you guys for watching this. This has been Nader the Tater. Leave a like in the comment and this video below. Leave in a comment below on what I should do next and stuff. And share this video to your friends and share it out to the world. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all later. Goodbye.